So for number 3, when we go to simplify this, essentially what I'm going to have to do first is distribute this 1/4 through the parentheses. Man, I can't talk today. So remember that this is really like 4a over 1, right? And then I have to multiply this. So that is like plus 1/4 times negative 12b over 1. And then over here, that's going to be negative 2 times a, so that'll be minus 2 times a. And then this one over here will be like negative 2 times negative 3b. So I'm distributing the 1/4 through the first set of parentheses, and I'm distributing the negative 2 through the second set. So if I multiply this out, I get 4a over 4. Negative 1, or I'm sorry, 1 time, negative 12b times 1 is just negative 12b. All over 4 times 1 is 4. Over here, this one's pretty much done, negative 2 times a. And then this one, negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6, and then we tack on the b. Okay? Now the first two can be, remember that a fraction is like a division problem. So 4 divided by 4 is just 1, so I just have a. Negative 12 divided by 4 is the same as negative 3, and I tack on the b. And then over here I have negative 2a plus 6b. Now I need to combine like terms. I have an a and I have an a. So I have a positive 1a. We don't write down the positive 1, but it's there. So that combines to be a negative 1a. We don't write down the 1. Next, I have some b's. I have a negative 3b plus 6b. So what's 6 minus 3? Positive 3b. And that's it. That's the answer. Is that what you guys got? Let me zoom out.